Hello, how are you? I am Hassan Khan. So today I will little guide you about this tool. Uh, it is very unrated tool between SEO. I don't know why SEO not talking about this tool because I have checked it, I have used it. It is all in one tool, like your page performance, your conversion, and everything you can see in this. So as per my, like, I have used it, it is very beneficial. Even it is not a difficult one like people use. I also using Screamfrog and another tool, but this one is very user friendly and you can optimize, you can see each and everything, what is the issue in your website, why people or user is leaving, why they are not purchasing. So this is the tool, like no one is talking and I have seen no information is available so much. So I will just give overview with my real like e-commerce store, which is currently not active. I have like not providing service there. It is like my some old experiment e-commerce store. So I will give you a live example of this. This is the tool like Microsoft Clarity. I find it very useful. Like each step you can check, just give me like overview, like complete, even technical thing you can view your user, your what is the issue, and all the thing you can review. Just I will go to the filter. So see here, user info you can check today or customize everything, like devices can select, then browser, which browser, so you can check. And like you have a limitation, you can select anything, which operating system. If I want to just use one country and see the traffic from just the relevant country, so I can select. So here you can see even these are interaction. Okay, this is important thing. This is just a small video. I will try to make a complete like session, different session, so I can explain how you can use this tool and get maximum out of it. Because I am use this for my like client, and it is best for even the e-commerce. Like the you are even a product providing local SEO or e-commerce. This is the best because it tell you that where your user are leaving your page, why they are not check out, and why they are like the gap, so you can exactly optimize those things. So these are the user action. You can see each and every section, like this is the rage click. Here also information, user rapidly click or tap in the same small area, and this is a dead click. This is very important, like for e-commerce you can just see why these are dead click and you can optimize those things, because heat map are available and recording are available. So these are dead click, like user click or tab on a page have no effect. And this is excessive scrolling. These are quick backs. What is quick back? A user just click and go back to other pages. So this is very information that if your some pages are like quick backs and the ratio is very high, so you need to optimize those. Like see, a page quickly return to the previous one. So this is the cursor, like it is very detailed one. I will also give you here a small example. So these are traffic, you can see from which source, from which medium they are, like you can see direct referral channel performance. So see, even see this is like technical thing are here. Like you can see why your LCP and core web vital are poor, and for each separate pages even. So this is the thing. I will little this see, it is very detailed one. And let me see what is this. Like this is, you can select three data, and as I told you, this is like e-commerce store which is not active. So little I will brief you. Okay, if I apply a filter of 30 days, so see, even I'm don't providing this service on this like currently website, but it is still very good because this is like my brand page. So in last 30 days, there are 22,000 session. What this mean? Total session include this 21 board session mean I get also traffic from like Chat GBT and other beings. So this is also important. So see, this is a session. What is board session? So average page per session. This is I will tell. This is scroll depth is also important. Little technical thing. Average spend time, like how much a person spending time on your each page on the tab. So this is also little description. And the other thing, like, see here, user overview, all user, you can see each country from where. And see, this is the like mobile they are viewing from tab or other thing. And even you, the most important thing, you can check from which area people are seeing. Like in Pakistan, you can see from which city you are getting most traffic, so you can sell there more thing. Like, just I'm clicking on this filter, so you will know about this. And these are the heat map you can check. So see, I can directly check from these, like this user, Karachi Sindh. So this is most good till I have found it. So let me give you other. So these are the all user and user intent. This is like very important. Medium intent, high intent. The high intent are those like they are conversion. They can like check out in these. So you can also like these medium. You focus on these also medium intent. Why like they are leaving need to improve. So video and heat map are available. So you can check them and improve those things. So this is like user overview. Then, okay, the important thing here is like this page and excessive scrolling and clickback. So if your percentage of this dead click and these clickbacks are more, so you can optimize those things. I will also give here a small description how this work. So you can improve those dead click and see. And here are like, okay, these are the events here like given. These are form submission checkout. See, this is checkout added to cart. So added to cart but not checkout. So you can improve these things. Why people leave there and contact us, like these things. Okay. So see content type. This is the total content type, like key metric about engagement. One and done, like user came to one time and then he has the casual, like he used visitor. So this you can see also information are given. So this is the behavior, like engage user are which are like finish reading complete article, abandon, and headline which only just see your URL and then vanish. So also you can check complete referral, Google's how many from Google, like direct. So see, this is very important. If you have a brand and branded visibility, directly people searching for you. So this is here, like see directly 450 are directly searching. Then from like region, another thing, Facebook, see Facebook, another even you can see Chat GPT, other these channel, you can see the source. Okay, so these are also browser very important. Like if your mostly user are from like mobile devices, so you have to focus on core web vital of mobile. So these all are given very, even with detail of the country. Like my mostly this is e-commerce store providing service in Pakistan, so they are focused on Pakistan. So check these are also. And the important thing, you also get these key metric like performance, like this is the overall score for you, like 70, and you can check it in which are like here from filter. And these are like performance. So performance score 1 to 50 poor, and these improvement. So you can complete guide is have here. So this is overall like how much good need improvement, and these are for even you can check from for each pages. If I select this one, so you can check give you a per pages performance, this type of. So this is like very beneficial. And then came to like top pages. Okay, here is also an important thing, like for e-commerce the product pages, the category pages and home pages are important. So these should be your top pages. If some other pages are top, so you have to optimize. So this is the overview you can just get by this and need. So see here, home page is getting top one. Another my other product, like it is a product pages, auto dimming mirror, he's getting more view. So I should give there a like discount and these things to increase more sale. This is the short tips I am giving. And here you can see all the pages, and then inactive pages and your popular product. See, popular product are available and need to improvement these. And this is JavaScript error. Even you can click and you can know that which are the error you can improve and which are like need improvement. So this is also a little technical. Okay, so this is all the thing, just an overview for you, and I will try to cover this complete. So let me give you a small overview like dead click. What are the dead clicks? So dead click, already I told you about click. This is the like user click on tap on the page with no effect. So these are the dead click I need to improve this session. So if you click on these, so there are like recording plus heat map, both are very important and tell you very detailed thing. So let give you one example of the recording. Okay, so recording heat map are those like where people are clicking, where they are scrolling, which are the most view area on that page, what people really clicking. So what a SEO person need more if these information are available and you know how to optimize this. So I think this is very important and very detailed things which people are can do this. So okay, these are heat map. Like, see here, if I just click on these, like my heat map, and these are the dead click. Like, see, dead click I have selected. So, why the dead click, which need like improvement? So, this is very detailed thing. Like, see here, you can see in the top, you can select even mobile version and tab version. So, okay, let me select a mobile version. So then you can see on the mobile version where are the tabs. So see, if I click on tab, so see 6 click are there. And the most important thing for me, so see here people are clicking on these things like the menu, and these search is also important. So here you can get a very detailed thing, like see more traffic are even like on the search tab. For e-commerce, search bar is important, people directly can search a product. So this is very thing. So you can see the click here are mentioned how many click are done and the session. So scroll, you can check even scroll where people are scrolling. Okay, important thing in scroll, you can check how many people are like which area your traffic are or user going to scroll. Did they even go to the footer or they are leaving? So this is here I am giving. So see, number of users reach this point, 100%, 100. So on this, like this my product, people are going here, 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 added to cart. So it is a good if people reach here till add to cart. So this is good. So this type of breakage, even people some, let me see, check people even see other product also in these. So this is very scroll and attention mean where people are getting more. So see the most attention here below the red area and these things. So it also will come in the color format, so you can know that to see in the side, but it is like most attention area, the red one and these. So average duration it is given. So it is very detailed tool, you can use it, optimize. And also I am giving you just a small video, you can check it. So see, this is the detail also given. Each recording you can check why people are leaving, what they are seeing. So here auto dimming mirror, so see this is the today on February 24, and duration like 10 minutes 3 clicks. And this is, let me give you some small like this 35 second, and it from Pakistan, it is Windows. So all the information, even you can see more detail. For more detail you can, and these are recording are the thing like it is recordable, you can see each and every heat maps are like just a overview. So this is also see this is complete info up, it is like location even mentioned. And let me play the recording, you can see this is the recording in front of you. A user visited this page and he is just viewing the page, and here click happen. So see, even the cursor you can observe. So in my point of view, no tool like this provide very good thing. Here are click happens. Is the click, a person click here, and here are dead click, people leave. So these dead click I need to optimize why they are leaving, because they are not finding it thing. So also, okay, here AI overview. AI will give you overview. So see this session complete. You can copy the AI overview. It is generated by AI that the user arrived on the web from the Google search. It is very important. See, and landed on the product for car auto dimming mirror, and the user interacted. Then there was a dead click event recording. So this type of you can understand what you need to improve those things. So it is very best tool. This is just a small video, and then I will going to cover other thing. That one is the session method, and these like see one and done like session where user viewed only one article. So casual where 2 to 3 articles, serious are those which are four. So this type of need, and these are the filter I have selected for dead click. So if, and I hope this small session is give you an overview of why this tool is important and it is best. So I can cover more, and let me know if you need more like this type of session comment, so I can give you more session. Thank you so much.